So a few years ago, I made one small change to my product pages that increased my sales by over 1,000%. No joke. And that's exactly what I'll be sharing in this video today. This one trick can easily take you from $100 a day to $1,000 a day and more with dropshipping. And it can be done in less than 5 minutes. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content just like this, because I'm about to drop a ton of value in this video. My name's Alex if you're new, and without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. All right, I'll be explaining all of this in just a moment so that it makes complete sense to you guys. But for the example in this video, we'll be using this smart rolling dog ball so that you guys can visualize this and completely understand it. So you guys can see this product page right here. It's pretty boring. They're just using images taken right off of AliExpress. They have too many variants down here. And then just look at their description. Just a simple, boring description, a ton of words. Nobody's ever gonna go through and read all of this for a simple little $20 dog ball. Let's move over to the next product page. You guys can see this is the active rolling dog ball right here. It's already cleaned up a little bit better, but what do we see right away that we like? We see this GIF right here of the product in action. This is hands down the secret that I've been using on all of my own product pages. I've been making all of my own GIFs and including them throughout the description. So they do a decent job on here. They could definitely include a little bit more, clean this up a little bit, but you guys want to tell a visual story on all of your product pages instead of weighing it down with a ton of long form copy that nobody's ever going to read, nobody's interested in. You guys don't want to bore your customers. You want to keep them engaged, you want to keep them interested, and you want to convince them to buy the product. So what's the best way to do it? Show the product in action. Show them exactly what they're getting. So they can see this dog right here having a ton of fun with this dog ball. Where do you see that on this product page? You see a cat rolling around with it. You see a cat chasing it. These are all animated pictures. It doesn't show anything about the product in action. You go down here, they show 2 real dogs with the product. They show the dog running around with this ball right here. They do a pretty good job. Then they have their reviews down here, but that's not what we're talking about in this video. So I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how to make all of these yourself and how to include them on your own product pages, how to separate them, how to divide them. Because typically what I do on my own product pages is I will have some sort of a supporting paragraph right below the title, right below the price right here. And then I start including all of my different GIFs and high quality images. We'll divide it by bullet points with the product benefits. We typically want to keep it a little bit shorter than this. You want something that the customers can just scroll through and breeze through and read really quickly on their own. You don't want to leave them doing all of the guesswork and reading all of this useless information. You only want to relay what's important to the customer, what's in it for them. So right here, you want to tell them what exactly their dog gets out of it, what they get out of it, because it keeps their dog entertained for hours and out of their hair, all that good stuff. Let's take a look at another product page. You guys can see this is the exact same thing. They do it a little bit better on here, divided by a ton of different images. They don't have any GIFs or videos on this website, which is definitely a minus. I like including the visuals of the product in action, showing it in use, the different features, benefits of the product. They do a decent job on this product page. Like, it's really good. I like the separation. I like how they have their description set up, but it definitely flows a little bit too long and they have a little bit too many images on here. Let's take a look at one more, and then I'll show you guys how to actually set this up and create them yourself. So we have the wicked ball right here, and they have their description down here. Here's a video of the ball and a dog running around with it. I really like that. If you guys aren't gonna include GIFs on your product pages, make sure to include videos. They have what's in the box, and then a ton of supporting paragraphs down here with images next to them. I definitely like including more images than not. If you guys can include information in your images, like right here, they have their different bullet points, passive, normal, gentle. Right here, they have more information about the product. I like including it all in images rather than putting a bunch of boring information in text on your website that's going to turn off the customer. So now let's talk about how you guys can actually start making these and including them on all of your own product pages. All right, so we're going to go over to TikTok now and just type in the name of your product on the TikTok search bar. Scroll through all of these different videos of your product until you guys find something. You guys don't want to include ads with a ton of text. You simply just want to show the product in action and show what these dogs get out of it. So I'm going to scroll through some of these until I find a TikTok video that I'd want to use on my own descriptions. All right, so I just watched this one right here, and this is definitely the TikTok that I want to roll with. It's a longer TikTok, it's 57 seconds, but it doesn't matter. We're just going to be extracting a few seconds from this video when we go to make it a GIF. I'll be showing you how to do all of that in just a moment. So scroll through TikTok, find a few videos of your product. I would say anywhere between 3 to 5 or 3 to 8, and then copy the URL at the top of the page on TikTok. We're going to paste it over into Snaptik. You guys can find this on snaptik.app. Paste your link right there, click download, and you guys are going to download your TikTok video. Once you guys have your TikTok video downloaded and ready to go, we're going to move over to EasyGIF. You guys can see this website right here. You guys can access this at easygif.com. You guys are going to select GIF Maker right up here at the top. You guys are going to choose the file of the TikTok video that you had downloaded, and you're going to select upload and make a GIF. So let's do all of that. So once you have that uploaded and ready to go, the page will look just like this when you have your video uploaded. Also, make sure you guys are selecting video to GIF up here at the top instead of GIF Maker. That was my accident in the last scene, so my apologies. But you guys are gonna select the start time and the end time for your GIF. So you guys can just go to where you want the beginning of the video to be, use current position, go to where you want the end of the video to be, and select use current position. So leave all of this blank right here, select convert to GIF, and it's going to create something just like this. So you guys can see this is definitely something you'd want to use on your own product pages. You can crop it. You guys can get rid of all of this blank space up here at the top and at the bottom as well, so that you guys are saving space on all of your own product pages. You guys can easily do that on this same exact website just by clicking crop or resize or any of these other options down here if you guys want to make any more adjustments. And when you guys are ready, click save down here, and you guys are ready to start uploading these GIFs to your product pages. So how do you actually write this description and get them to fit within your description? Let's move on to that. We're keeping things simple with ChatGPT. So here's the prompt that I wrote up for this. I said, in the form of a professional copywriter, write a product description for a self-rolling moving dog ball. I have 5 GIFs that I want to include for visuals, so make sure to include placeholders for those throughout the description. Keep it short, simple, persuasive, and engaging. So it's going to go through based on the information that you input, and it's going to write a detailed product description for your product, while including different placeholders to include your GIFs throughout the description. It can't get any easier than this. Simply copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into your product description on Shopify, and go through under each of the placeholders and just simply insert the GIF that you created on EasyGIF. It's that simple, and this will make your product pages look so much better and allow your customers to visualize the description instead. This will increase your conversions as a result. So besides the rolling dog ball, here's another winning product from MLab. We have this back stretcher right here that we've seen a ton of times in the past. And what do they do on their product page? They include visuals and GIFs of the product in use. I can't stress this enough. You guys want to use this on every single product page that you create moving forward. All right, guys, try this out and let me know how it works for you, because this little trick has single-handedly taken my store to new levels by increasing my revenue. If you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. I have a ton of helpful resources to help you guys get started with dropshipping, linked down below. Don't miss out on any of those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.